I personally get a lot of satisfaction repurposing things, reusing things, revitalizing things. Whether it's the 66 Chevy Suburban or this house that was built in 1966.
There are so many great things that are already out there. They can be fairly easily rehabbed, refinished. This house is a great example of that.
This home doesn't need to be torn down. It needs to be brought to current standards. That's what we're doing with it.
We don't view people as clients. When I walk through the door, that person is a human being.
We truly care about what we're doing for homes and, most importantly, what we're doing for homeowners.
We have over 20 windows in this house, so it was a large investment for us.
Having done it ourselves, we were able to understand the value of that professional installation. Mark was such a quality person. We've just met him, but he was installing the windows like he would install them in his house or at his mom's house. The trust that we put into them, we feel like has been returned to us.
There are few things in life that I enjoy more than making someone happy. Barbecue is one of the things I really like to have and share. It's an honest way to get to somebody's heart and let them know that you appreciate them.
Ron was very welcoming. He was like, hey, I'm cooking you some barbecue. Not to toot my own horn, but it's the best. Instantaneously, we just connected, and sure enough, it was some good barbecue.
I felt like I was not just a customer, but it was almost like my neighbor was coming over.
It's part of the success story. So we're not talking about windows, we're not talking about roofing, we're not talking about siding, we're talking about life.
They serviced our need with the product and experience we needed.
We're very thankful to have found Power.